I have to have a premium account. All right, we'll just do this. I should be able to save at least. All right, let's do this. All right. What is this? No, this is not working. I think it's the fact that I'm using a Mac. Okay, for this, I'm using a Mac. Let's see. What's this Python status? I think it's called Python. Is it version? Python V. Python version. always like the dumbest part. Okay, that's it. No Docker. Add user. And if Mac always complains that PC is fine, try this. Okay, so let's try this. And if not, try this. Okay, it's still giving me this error. The fuck is this, man? Let me download all these files. What? Oh, coffee database. Oh, man. There's no such file database. Yeah, why would I CD start the server from inside the CoffeeDB folder? All right, so we need to create a CoffeeDB soul folder. So from here, let's create this. And let's create this. Let's create a new file. New folder. Coffee database. And then from here, what? Okay, first let's go into, okay, so let's go in here first. Jesus, man. All right, ls-cd documents / coffee db, and then now let's create this virtual environment. What in the fuck is this, man? What is this? What happened here? No such file in the directory. Oh, okay. I have to shit, I have to take from here, I put all these downloaded files. All these files in there. So move. open, folder, share, to do copy, and then go in here and then paste. Keep that paste 5 items in here. Okay, now maybe we need to do this here. Copy. Paste item. And this one has to be renamed to server.py. Okay, let's just delete this one. This has to be okay. Now Control C. Okay, now this interface should be different. Okay, cool. We have this. Okay. So we have the first coffee database. Now, what is the next thing that I need to do? So next, what I want to do is just make sure that this database can intake the files, these coffee files. So okay, these are inputs, but I want to be able to upload this export to bubble And the CSV is not really important anymore. So let's change the colors to this my logo. To my logos and add I don't know if this is I need the BioLinked banner, BioLinked banner. And on my it was in this bubble editor. So in this bubble, I've already had this created, but I essentially need to have it a better database, a better workflow, and Bubble is not really that robust. So now with the tools that we have now, I don't really need to use this, even though it took me months to do this. But I think I should just start over. Let me see, where's this picture? Where's the image come from? This image. Okay, let me see. A logo icon. Not PNG. This one, I think it's this. I think it's this one. What else? What else was I gonna do? All right. New record. All right. Could not connect to API. So this is just like the production, compliance, import translated data. Okay. So for example, we got this, and then we have JSON file. All right. Okay. Let's do this. Documents. Let's see. Okay, let's just do index.html. There's no reason why we need to have this. Just do index. Okay, we need to delete the first one. Okay. Just close out. Empty trash. BioLinked index.html. And then from here, what do I do? Okay, I can run this again. And the inputs for all of these. So production, so this is the harvest. Production doesn't have the inputs, the compliance, the product. me see. Let's open up Visual Studio. Visual Studio. Let's see. Open new window. Keep it as is. Okay, hold on. Okay, what's going on here? For the import tab, what should I do? Keep it as is, accept the translated JSON from the translator app, or accept raw scraped JSON, run LM Studio translation. What is this? Improve the UX, add section. Export should be removed. Content areas show blank instead of auto opening the form. Okay, forms now auto open when you click on that. Okay, section grouping. Okay, save button at the top. Okay. Okay, on your question about the import, so this is keeping it as a translated JSON for now. If you want the tools merged into one, so where I'll build the next. Okay. Because right now I have my own translator tool, which I think I want to keep. Well, why don't I keep that? Let me just do the whole thing. So if I could translate where is this? What are we at here? This is Flux. This is my mail. Fargo. All right. Where's the where's my translator app? Okay, let's close this. Whoops. Okay. No, I mean, yeah, so I could do that. It translates like all this data into this. Yeah, okay, let's upgrade it. So we have an all-in-one. A reason I keep two. It was taking me forever. Yeah, so say a user wants to come in and do that. Let's go here and go. Well, what is the first thing we want to do? We want to be able to add these products, and then create a record of these products. And so once this is created, we have to generate a QR code. And generate a QR code. and then save it. And then I like this. I like this product page. We're gonna keep this. Let's go to Figma. Okay. Let me see if you can set your, okay, replace your HTML. Config set your base URL and model ID, then hit test connection to confirm it's live. Upload raw JSON. Like scraper marketplace file, it automatically extracts the markdown. Content to use the translation source. Run translation. Harvest production. It's tailored as a special replaces tab like badge count. Set the database. Okay. Okay, let's digital product landing page. Yeah, but instead of all of these options, general details, production use, just these four. Now this, okay, index.html is different now. So I need to open this guy. I need to open a new Visual Studio. Open up a new file. File we need to open up. Index. Okay, so what is this? Documents. Just a documents index. Trace index.html. Holy shit. What in the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What? Holy crap. Oh, these are all the images, I guess. What the fuck is this? The logo. Why is this shit doing it? Oh my gosh, dude. What is that? Oh my god. Okay, we need to remove this. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. How many lines is this? What the fuck is this, man? Oh my god. And it's still getting bigger. Oh, what the fuck? No fucking way, man. The file's actually not that large, but I mean, it's just crazy. Oh, what the fuck? There's too much writing. Oh my gosh, man. What the fuck? This was insane. Can't believe it did this. Oh my gosh. This is still insanely large. Holy shit, man. Wow. Okay, but at least it doesn't. All right, at least it doesn't have the images on here. Jesus, man. Holy shit. Okay, no image files, just drop the HTML on your, okay. Okay, and then from here, what do I do? Let's add, let's run this. I'll run this. Python.server.py. Do I have a server file here? Yeah, I do. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can't run this code here. Wow, this shit. insane. Localhost. No, this is not it. Localhost 808. This is localhost. Link. Okay. And harvest record compliance. Okay, let's import this file. And let's do this one. Okay. Run translation. Let me see if this was working. Okay, it's running. So essentially, what we want to do is 0 fields maps. That's weird. Okay. Okay, we got some fields mapped here. That's weird because let's see. I had a coffee translator, that HTML. See, but for some reason, this one did well. Let me see what the difference is here. Yeah, it's not doing so well, but this one did well. This one did well for the harvest, which let's see, coffee bean grade 1. Okay, let's see if we can find this file and try to, because we did well with this one, but with this rendition it didn't work. See, but this one worked well. Okay, but then the harvest didn't go well here. This one did. Interesting here. So harvest. Yeah, I mean, we've gotten, so let's see if we can find this file and try to, well, this is yeah, this is the same file. Okay, well, how come this one, okay, well, why did okay, let's see, let me try to go to documents. Coffee translator. Why does this translator do better when tasked to do the same thing? Because when I feed this translator, this JSON, it gives me better results. JSON is in the downloads. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what it comes up with. Let me refresh. Wow, this is not what I wanted to do. This is nothing like what I said here. This is not right. No, I didn't need this. What the fuck? No, I don't need a fucking landing page. What the fuck is this, man? No. What is this? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, this index at HTML. Like how can this file is definitely not, well, it's pretty large. Okay. All right. Um okay. Let's see. And then now, so I got this code. Let's do index.html here. Just a different one. It's doing a lot of code. Save that. And then go here. Let's refresh. See if we can't update this guy. First, let's test connection. Okay, connected. And now let's see. Marketplace. Let's do visual. Okay, now this should be better. This should run smoother. Should get a better result here. Yep, there we go. Okay, we still didn't get enough, I think. We still did not get the let's see, and if we open this file, not JSON. Man, this is insane. I don't know why it does this. Like, this search feature on Mac is so bad. Yeah, it still didn't do a good job here. It still didn't do a good job. It said 15, but for some reason it didn't. It did not do it. Did not do a good job. Let's see. Let's see, elevation. I don't think it did. It says 15, but it'll do it at the end. Let me see what else. Compliance, okay. Production is good. Harvest didn't do well. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah. This API is starting to get crazy. All right, let's see here. This is JSON. Yeah, this thing. I need to copy paste this guy in here. So this here has the markdown, and this should have elevation. Okay, this doesn't have elevation. Altitude. It does have altitude. Why does this do this? All right, I gotta use the bathroom. Put a pause here.